Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile position problem. To know how to fix or to solve FIFA mobile position problem, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to this window of FIFA mobile, and you will click here if you will find it in this page here. So when you will find it, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter the storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.